Hey there, Hollywood, product manager at ColDesi. We've had a lot of inquiries for customers that want to create custom Mylar bags. So today I'm going to show you a solution that we're going to print on labels or sticker paper to create our customization. And I'm going to be using my DigitalHeat FX 9541. Now let's go ahead and get you started into the software. So in my print optimizer software, I've already loaded up 3 designs for us to print. The only real changes you're going to need to make, I've already selected 11 by 17 paper. Going to go into your color layer. You're going to want to make sure your white is off. And then under your printer options, you're going to select media type of labels. You're also going to want to make sure that you come down here and turn your mirror off because we're going to be printed in non-mirror. So let's go ahead and print. So now we've hit print. You can have multiple sheets of paper into your tray. Okay. And I actually ordered this paper on onlinelabels.com, but you can, any type of laser media that is approved for laser printers, you can use. This was a super simple design, so we are just going to use scissors to cut it out. But if you have like an intricate design, you can use crop marks and put it through a cutter like a Graph Tech that will read the crop marks too. And also they have different types of labels too. So like different shapes and things that you can buy that can also be printed on here, so you don't have to print on a solid sheet. So let's take it over here and apply it to our bag. Okay, so now we're ready to apply. I've already pre-cut my stickers. So I've got the bottom of the bag. I found that that is easier. Just gonna get it lined up here. Just kind of slide the backing out as you go. That'll help prevent any bubbles. There you go. Really easy. And we did use our 9541 today because I love the color vibrancy with having the 5th color. However, this is a method that can be used with any of your DigitalHeat FX printers. Thank you guys for joining me today on how to make sticker labels for Mylar bags. If you would like other decoration methods, please check the description below for other videos. Thanks again, and until next time.